Now, let's practice to write a snap program that calculates the average of two numbers. Let's translate our algorithms, step by step, into a snap program. Step 1, Start. So, click the Control Palette button at the top left here. Drag this block, called When Green Flag Clicked, into the scripting area. Now let's discuss the second step of our algorithms. Step 2, Declare variables num1, num2, average. We need the variable num1. So, we have to make a new variable. Click the Variables palette button. Click the Make a Variable button. You will see a dialog box here. Type in the variable name, num1. No need to change any options here, and then, click OK button. In the palette area, we can see that there's now the variable num1. We are going to repeat again the same procedure as before for variable num2. We need the variable num2. So, click the Make a Variable button. Type in the variable name, num2. No need to change any options here, and then, click OK button. In the palette area, we can see that there's now the variable num2. Do it again the same steps to create variable average. Now let's discuss the third step of our algorithms. Step 3, Input num1, num2. Now, we are going to place the command block to take input from user. First, click the Sensing Palette button, and then, grab this ask block, and drag it into the scripting area. Replace the text with Enter num1. Click the Variables palette button. Drag the set block into the scripting area. Choose num1. Click the Sensing Palette button, and then, grab this answer variable, and drag it into the set block. Do it again the same steps for num2. We are going to place the command block to take input from user. First, click the Sensing Palette button, and then, drag this ask block into the scripting area. Replace the text with Enter num2. Click the Variables palette button. Drag the set block into the scripting area. Choose num2. Click the Sensing Palette button, and then, grab this answer variable, and drag it into the set block. Now let's discuss the fourth step of our algorithms. Step 4, Average, equals num1 plus num2, divided by 2. After that, let's analyze, which operators do we need, and how many. We need only one addition operator, and one division operator, so, click the Operators palette button. Drag the additions block. Drag the divisions block. Click the Variables palette button. Drag the variable num1 into the additions block. Drag the variable num2 into the additions block. Next step, drag this additions block into this division block. Type in 2 in this place here. After that, we are going to store the result of this calculation in the variable average. Click the set block, and drag it to the scripting area. Choose the variable average, and drag the calculation block to this place here. Now, let's proceed to translate the fifth step in our algorithms. Step 5, Display the value of average. So, click the Looks palette button. Drag the Say block into the scripting area. Then, click the Variables palette button. Drag the variable average into the Say block. Now, let's test this program. Click this hat block to start the program. Click this icon to display stage in full screen. Answer the question by entering a value of num1 and num2. You may compare the result with manual calculation in Excel, or by using a calculator. When you've finished, don't forget to save the program. Click the File icon here, and then, click Save As. Click Computer button. Type in the file name. For example, I am typing in snap02. Then, click Save button. Your file will be saved in the Download folder.